not everybody is. And I mean, I do it towards the end anyway. So if you're okay with this, this is how I normally do it. What I do is I will go through and I cut, but then I blow and then I recut.
Yeah, sure.
So is that okay with you?
For sure.
All right, good. So we're gonna take some of the bulk out, we're gonna trim the length up, and then we're gonna blow you out, and then we're gonna go in, and what I say is we detail the haircut. It's very important to detail the haircut. That is the biggest step that most stylists miss.
The details?
They blow them out and they get them out of chair and go, and then they go home and then they look at the hair, they try to blow the hair out, and maybe one piece is a little thicker or one piece is a little longer. And that is, to me, greatness is in the details. And I tell that to all my stylists that I teach. Greatness is in the details, and it's the biggest part that most stylists miss.
Yeah, it's the little things that matter most.
It's the really little things. And when they see you take the time to do that, go on over and over, step back, look at it, look at the bulk. It's very, very important. So, all right, so let's get this hair hydrated. Let's bring you back to the sink and get started, okay?
Here we go. I'll either too, a little bit, and then I got their, but their conditioner's freaking awesome too, because it's very, and trust me. So, and then the only thing is, don't you have to close the cuticle down with cold water? Because that's what I always do.
We do. We close it down.
Do you do the nice hot massage?
We do it with shampoo. Yes, we shampoo the head. We put the hot towel on the head while the shampoo is still in the head. Okay. And then we go with cool water and conditioner and close it down. So that's how we do it.
Nice.
But they just love it. It's just a little extra step. I always say,
connection.
Any little extra step that you can give your client. I do a little massage at the end too that sets you apart from other stylists. That's how you win your clients, and that's how because you got to set yourself apart. There's a million stylists out there. What are you going to do different than other stylists?
Yeah,
you
have to be different.
Especially today with the prices being so high with everything, you really, really got to give them their work.
Yes.
Sure. Actually, their conditioner. Their leave-in conditioner, the spray. I love Unite's my favorite.
Yeah, Unite has some good products.
Oh my God, they got oil and their 7 seconds. I mean, it's like liquid gold, and people love it. They buy it over and over again.
It's the Me New conditioner.
This one.
If it's not in there, just use another one or whatever. You could use Soma one too if you want.
There we go.
Okay. Relaxation. So nice. That's how you get all your customers, right? You give them a little TLC.
Yeah.
Tender loving care. People need tender loving care, and they need a calm environment, a calm atmosphere. Makes such a big difference.
Absolutely.
The world is so filled with stress, anxiety, fast-paced. I mean, everything's going by like a lightning. Yep.
Your bangs, you wear them straight down and then a little back, correct? You do this.
I love to have them come down this way.
You got
this way. Yep.
When somebody wants their bangs to glide to the side, short pushes long. Very important to keep that in your mind. So what you're gonna do is also not too much tension. When you're using your hands, you don't want to pull down like this. You don't want to be tight. You want to be almost like you're just glazing the hair. Comb down, glaze. And this is another thing. Like I keep my hand down like this. I comb, I move, I comb, I move my hand. And this part of my hand's actually at the bridge of her nose right now, and I just do that. Okay, now I'm gonna go push it this way.
You gotta get behind her a little bit. All right, this is where she does her magic. To make the hair lighter and fuller. And there you don't always need to do, because I feel like sometimes it's thinner on the sides. The top is really what's super too full.
Right.
Like the whole crown.
Yep.
Yeah, all the crown. Yep. Yeah. Yep. Right there. For some reason, that's such a like a heavy spot.
Right.
Yeah, and I would just go a tiny bit lower. Sometimes I just cut little pieces in there with those thinning shears, just where it's thick. Yeah, that's it. That's good. That top right there. Beautiful. My roots will be next.